Hey there, welcome back to our channel Indian Bros. My name is Rubin Raj. In this video, we're going to see some of the child prodigy of India who made India proud with their hard work and talent globally. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be getting our channel updates. Come on guys, let's get started. India is the land of diversity, not only culturally, but also by talents. In this video, we're gonna see some 10 child prodigy who prove that age is just a number. Share Mehnot, India's child Picasso, is world's youngest abstract artist. Started painting from the age of 7. Apart from his artistic feats, Share also does philanthropy works like auctioning some of his works for various children's charities. Priyanshi Somani, human calculator who broke world records at the age of 11, a mathematics legend who at this age won a world record championship in mathematical calculation. Kautilya Pandit, Google boy, 6-year-old Kautilya Pandit from Haryana is exceptionally good with general knowledge and current affairs. Pandit can recollect the general details and statistics of 213 countries. Pragnananda, the youngest international chess master from Chennai, made history at the age of 10. He claimed the title of chess grandmaster also. Lydian Nadaswaram. Lydian Nadaswaram is a young Indian multi-instrumentalist from Tamil Nadu. Lydian won the CBS talent show, The World's Best, and received $1 million prize money. Lisipriya Kangujam. Lisipriya Kangujam of Manipur, an 8-year-old climate activist, became one of the youngest speakers at the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Arshdeep Singh, the 10-year-old wildlife photographer, scripted history by receiving the most prestigious Young Wildlife Photographer Award of the Year. His candid snap of the two owlets peeping out of the waste pipe that strung the title. Yadar Murthy, a 14-year-old entomologist from Bangalore, Karnataka, can sing 260 national anthems from memory. He also won the Limca World Record twice for singing the most number national anthem. Nihal Raj, Little Chef Kicha from Kerala, is one of the youngest chefs in the world. Moreover, he even appeared on a top-rated American television talk show, The Ellen DeGeneres Show. He taught Ellen to cook Kerala's popular breakfast, puttu. Jai Jaswant, another 10-year-old from Tamil Nadu. Jai is a champion swimmer. He became the youngest person ever to swim across the Park Strait in 10 hours 30 minutes. He started his swim from Talimana to Dhanushkodi, covering a distance of 30 km. This is the world record under 11 category. Let's meet in another informative video. Until then, signing off, Indian Bros. Bye bye.